Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we implemented Google Sheet integration in Power Automate. In this video, we will create a SharePoint list. SharePoint is a web-based collaboration platform by Microsoft used for document management, team communication, and content sharing within organizations. Let's get started. We will go to office.com, click on App Launcher and select SharePoint. We are at SharePoint homepage. We have multiple sites visible here. We will be using Power Automate Flow's site for all Power Automate related work. We can create a new SharePoint list by clicking on New and then clicking on List. We are naming it as Charity Submissions. We can add multiple columns from here. We will be adding columns for name, email, amount, and donor type. These columns will be text type except for amount, which is number type. We are renaming this title column as name. We can add data to this list by clicking on Add Item. We are adding dummy data for Madhav Sharma. He is a first time donor and donating 9,000 rupees. We will be using this SharePoint list in our next automated cloud flow. And that's it. In the next video, we will update data on SharePoint list on submission of a Microsoft form. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.